Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about adverb. An adverb is a word or an expression that generally modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. यानी कि एक adverb जो होता है वो verb को, adjective को या किसी दूसरे adverb को modify करता है, मज़ीद उसको explain करता है. Kinds of an adverb. There are 6 kinds of adverb: adverb of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, conjunctive adverbs. Now we are going to learn about adverb of frequency. There are different types of adverb of frequency: always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, hardly ever, never. 100% always. He always walks with his dog. Usually. I usually go there. 75% frequently. She was frequently late for school. 60% often. Tom often lies to Jerry. 50% sometimes. I sometimes hear rumors about her. Occasionally 40%. I see him occasionally in town. 30% rarely. Hollywood marriages rarely last. 10% hardly ever. He hardly ever plays video game. 0% never. She never swims in pool. Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.